Hey guys, me and my friend here are gonna be making a video together, and right here, and then we're gonna be making a video. So he said that he missed Meat Man Fast. Is that correct? Is that correct?
Yeah, that's not me, man. I miss him.
You do?
Yeah, cause they replaced him like years ago, like 5 years ago.
You mean 3 years ago?
Now
Cause like
he,
no P-boy. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you they made him bigger.
I know, I died.
But hey, in the meantime, I saw Meat Man Fast. Oh, they removed his hat, so he looks goofy. I'm trying to get Meat Man Fast to chase me.
Where are you at? Ouch. I just broke my controller again. Yeah, could it work with me?
You did not just break your controller again.
I did. Ah, finger! Ah, finger! I'm saying that I split.
No, bro.
What, am I too young?
Bro, I'm gonna post this on YouTube. I don't want to get demonetized. I mean, I can put it for not for kids, but I can just change the age rating for not. I don't consider my videos 18 plus.
No, because some people and the other videos say bad words, and he did not get to. So you better shut your black ass up.
That's because I don't say the N word, and they're like adults.
Oh no, one is coming.
And who is that? That's Big Larry.
Scared.
I'm coming down. I'm
Big
gonna get
Larry?
Meat Man to chase me. Ah! That's not me, man. That's not me, man. Get on top of these. Oh, you died. Oh yeah, by the way, they're smart now.
Yeah.
Here, let me just distract him. What is he doing? Playing hokey pokey?
What is Bro doing?
You put your left hand in, you put your left hand out, you put your left hand back in, and you shake it all around. Do the hokey pokey. Does it even record a thing? Does this thing even record? God, don't tell me I almost hit that. You put left hand and you put right hand. I'm gonna try to get Meat Man to meet. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. You put your left hand in, you put your left hand out, you put your left hand back in, and you shake it all around. You do the hokey pokey. Oh. Meat Man, Meat Man, Meat Man. Oh no. On every head and everything. Oh my god. Oh my god!
Archie? Archie.
What?
Archie.
What?
Well, my charger's not working.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. I'm not lying.
Like your controller or controllers?
No way, headset. Ah! No way. I'm not gonna say that. You'll get mad. What I just did.
Don't tell me you broke your controller again!
Sorry.
Tell your brother to fix it. What did I tell you? Put a pillow on under your feet and stand on that pillow for it's like a button. Hello? Oh, for fuck. I'm about to waste this bro's time. Yeah, I think you saw me on the wrong side. Bro, speeding up now. Oh my god, it's ISO speed. ISO. Why is bro jump scare so weird? Is that me, man? Is that the guy you like? Oh yeah, look at White's jump scare. It's so weird now. I'm gonna get it. Did you get jump scared by White?
What? Yeah, what was that?
Bro, they changed his jump scare.
Huh, I'm scared.
It's even weird now.
You just died?
Yeah, why is the jump scare like so weird? Ugh.
Huh.
With the,
I'm smart. I'm definitely smart.
Nah, you're not. Hello? Bro, where'd you go?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you're right
Come
there.
here. Give it in.
Oh yeah, they removed cams, by the way.
Why?
I don't know.
That was like the best place ever.
But at least they added like a freaking... They
What?
added... What the?
Hi.
Oh my... Why are you walking like that?
I look like a killer.
Tell your brother how you sliding like that. You're like... Oh look, Big Larry. I was like, oh look, Big Larry. What the? I missed the jump. Hey! You're dead! You're dead! Oh. You mean you're dead? No. Hey, at least you get to see your first Meatman Fast jump scare.
My finger.
It's okay, buddy. It's okay, buddy.
Duh.
Why does it look like you're on... Bro, why are you doing this? Guys, this is what he's doing. He's doing this.
My finger.
You're like... You're like... You
better have a black ass.
Bro, why do you have your head over your head? Why do you have your hand over your head?
Black ass up.
Remember, kids, if you're like under the age of like whatever age, don't question what that was, please.
I don't care.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's the fastest man on the earth. You know, every single time I try. Oh my god, meet me, man! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Bow 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 bow. Damn! Oh, Big Larry. Hi, Big Larry. Oh,
You
he
died?
oh. No! Bro, why aren't you watching me?
Yeah.
What? Wait, how did you know I was behind you?
Because
You had it on selfie?
no, I didn't.
I'm just kidding.
Oh, what's the cone head and the hand?
I forgot to tell you, but oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. They removed every single cosmetic that cost gold.
You know what? You know what? I might just say the egg word now.
But I think I've heard that I saw in a video that I heard.
You better be quiet.
No!
I hate the owner of Baboon.
No! He got frozen! The monsters are frozen now! It's because I accidentally left the room! By the way, I got it all on camera. They're frozen now. Let's just go find Meat Man. I think I may know where he's located. No, that's Big Larry. Oh, hey! Hey! Follow me! Bro, no way you can do that. Not even I can do that. Look. I'm just kidding. No, that's Freaky Larry.
What's freaky? Yeah.
It's the one that, it's the big one though. That's his size. His name is Freaky Larry, bro. Bro wants to get freaky with the monkeys. Pause.
So, is your
What up?
choice to end the
We're passing him. I think I may know where he is. Follow me. Yo, bro. I said following me. I said follow me, not go wander off without me. Come here. If I'm correct, I know where Meat Man Fast is located. Are you at least happy that they removed that I'm not removed, that they added OG Big Larry? I mean not Big Larry, OG Meat Man Fast.
Yeah.
Look, boing. A person that
Boing.
thinks all the time. I know we're a big. No. They were actually not frozen. They're moving.
My God!
Oh no! Hitbox! Why is he not going after you? Have to do. Yeah, I'm just kidding.
Yo,
What?
so how many minutes is video gonna be?
I don't know. I need to. Yeah!
Just 2 more minutes, right? My video's gonna die.
2 more minutes. I think I might have got that, but I think I don't have So the monster's actually moving. No alien. Yeah, how long were we recording for? 15 minutes. Oh my god. Yeah, we're gonna stop recording now. Hello, where'd you go? Oh, I think I saw you. Oh yeah, he's right there. He's right there. Yo, we're gonna have to stop recording. Let's stop recording. Cause I
Bye.
can't see. Bye.
Bye. So, no.
Bye, guys.
All of you know you gotta subscribe.